Hello, Suzannah Baum here, and greetings from Montreal, where it is about minus 20 degrees on a Saturday morning. And I am here just off of a little tour with my cross-country skis. Here you go, here's my cross-country skis. You can see a little bit of snow on my hat. That's from when I fell down, and a little snow in my hair. But the reason why I came cross-country skiing in the morning is because I was feeling very frustrated. I've been frustrated because for the past couple of weeks, I've been feeling cooped up inside. The pandemic is keeping us inside. It's keeping us not as active as I would have liked. So knowing that I had these cross-country skis that I haven't used in a really long time, I've been wanting to use them for a long time and always came up with an excuse that I'd rather relax, that I needed to do some work, that I had a million other things to do. But I just reached a level of frustration where finally I said, forget it. Tomorrow morning, I'm going cross-country skiing, and that's what I did. Now, it meant that I had to prepare some things last night so that I didn't come up with any excuses this morning, including preparing my mindset, which is that, you know, the second I get out of bed, don't linger with coffee, don't linger with Netflix, don't linger with my phone, just get dressed, have something to eat, and go. And so I did a couple of tours. I fell down a couple times, got lost a couple times, but in the end, here I am back in one piece. And as I was going around, and as this feeling of frustration was dissipating, it made me reflect on a couple of phone calls I had this week with some individuals who were also going through frustrations. And they were frustrated because they were very impressive individuals, an engineer and a product manager, very well known in their field, very experienced, but they called me because they were frustrated because when they get up to speak at meetings, to lead a meeting, to give a presentation, they fall all over their words. They can't get their point across. They can't seem to say what it is they want to say and leave the impression they want to leave. And despite lots of preparation and despite really knowing the topic that they're talking about, it's just not coming out right. And the frustration is, number one, that they are so experienced, so why is this happening? And number two, they feel that their colleagues are looking at them differently. And they know that their colleagues could be looking at them with more respect, with even more, or at least recognizing the type of experience they have, and they feel like they're losing this opportunity. So this is what I was thinking about as I was frustrated the last couple of days because I was feeling constrained. They were feeling frustrated because of their own constraints in whatever it is that's keeping them from being able to speak in a way that they want to speak so that they could get the respect of their team and that they could look like a leader and that they look like the leader that they are in front of their colleagues. So as I was cross-country skiing this morning, picking myself up from when I fell down, and getting a little bit nervous when I got lost, it really just made me reflect on the frustrations and how sometimes frustration is good because it moves us to action. My frustration moved me to cross-country ski this morning, and their frustration, this product manager and this engineer, their frustration is what moved them to call me to see if there is a way that I can help them communicate better so that they could look and really position themselves as the leader that they are and communicate in the way that they want and that really reflects their experience. So I say to you, what is it that you are frustrated about these days, and what can you do to help get over that frustration? Is it cross-country skiing? Is it calling a coach? Is it investing in yourself? Whatever it is, maybe it's okay to let frustration be your guide. Have a great day.